the AG's chambers replied about nearly 10-15 days ago that there are no more new documents they're going to give us. So then in that case I'm still hamstrung until the judge decides, after hearing our application, whether or not those documents are to be given. If it's not given, then we are still back to square one. So we will wait for the judge's decision before I make further comments on that.
Is the Myanmar doctor, the first doctor who examined Saiful, is he going to be called as a witness?
At this stage, I think it depends on the prosecution, not it's the prosecution's case, so it's a bit too early for me to say. If the prosecution can answer your question if they're going to call him. Yeah. It's the prosecution's case, not a defense case. The prosecution starts and they have to prove the case against Anwar Ibrahim, not us.
Any news on Bala?
I don't know. Really, I don't know. Absolutely don't know where he is and what.
Instead of fixing the date, get the date out and we proceed whenever the judge decides. Yeah?
Has the prosecution given you all the documents that you need?
No, that's going to be one of the first things we deal with, the application for documents. So, but that won't be dealt with today. It'll be done on the new date. Yeah. Well, we'll have to live with the fact that it's now in the High Court. Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you. And from the prosecution, according to Section 51 of the law, this is a peculiar case where the prosecution is acting as slaves for the political masters. Even to get documents, which is my entitlement under the law, is deemed so difficult. We'll take, for example, CCTV. First they gave still photograph, then they gave video with still photograph, then they now gave the CCTV but incomplete. So this is a mockery of the system. You are there to execute the law and to conduct prosecution in a professional manner. You are not there as lackeys of political masters. So I have every reason to suspect and cast doubt and aspersions against the whole conduct of prosecution in the trial. But we will go through the motion, inshallah, next Wednesday, and I know and for a fact that finally I will be vindicated.
Masuk depan.
Hidup Anwar! Hidup Anwar! Bebas Anwar! Bebas Anwar! Reformasi! Reformasi! Makal sakti! Makal sakti! Ubah don berak! MB haram! Jangan menganiaya orang tua.
Jangan menzalimi orang tua.
Jangan menganiaya orang tua.
Abang tak sidi bang. Abang.
Jangan pukul lah, jangan pukul lah.
Bagi kita dah dulu. Tak ada pukul, tak ada pukul. Tak ada pukul. Bagi kita sama, bagi kita sama.
Jangan tam.
Mana ada warga mat, warga mat. Janganlah teres. Warga mat tu. Tak ada apa, ikut je. Hormat sikit orang tua. Jangan teres je bawa iman dulu. Saya tak payah gumul. Tak ada lah orang tua. Tak payah gumul.
Jangan pukul. Salam.
Tak ada apa.
Jalan. Bukan si diharamkan. Yelah, bukan si diharamkan. Baik. Ipoh ni.
Betul. Tapi you kata because the bus need to know how long. You give me a time. So, kalau tidak dia nak tambah duit ke tambah.
Half an hour.
Half an hour. We stay here half an hour.
Don't fear lah.
No lah, yeah. In the court Tan Kim Hock, seorang anggota Parti Keadilan dari Perak yang edarkan CD bubar yang bertajuk Bubar Dun Perak. Tapi polis bila tangkapan berlaku, polis tidak tahu apakah isi kandungan CD itu. ACP Zakaria janji mereka akan siasat kandungan itu secepat mungkin, dan beliau minta setengah jam untuk mengenal pasti kandungan dalam CD itu. Selepas itu kalau tidak ada apa-apa, menurut beliau Encik Tan akan dibebaskan. So kita bersetuju untuk menunggu setengah jam di sini dan kita akan dapat balik untuk kena pasti sama ada mereka akan bebaskan Encik Tan atau tidak. Kalau tidak ada tindakan lanjutan, kami akan pergi ke IPD Sentul di mana Encik Tan sekarang ditahan.